So I just installed the GateOr rack and it's fitting in nicely right along the mats. Turnbuckle down here on the toe point as well as up there. No contact, so that's good. Don't want to scratch up the ski. Sitting in the main toe hook up top. Had a little issue getting it in, but just move the toe hook and it fit right in. We'll get that fixed. Pull this up, push it out, slides out really easily. Clips right back in. Back up. On the back side, really easy. Just got full access. Right back there, in the back toe hook. You can see again, all on the mat. No contact with the ski right there. And on the back side. Looking good so far. Just gotta test it out. This is a 52 quart cooler from Arctic. Still got plenty of room on the sides. Maybe if you wanna put a smaller one. And then you can also fit a gas tank on the side if you had a smaller one, I guess. Or, whatever else you want to throw on there. Plenty of space, or if you just want to get a bigger cooler. Looking pretty good so far.